Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So if you see the 15 minutes chart of Bank Nifty, today after opening a selling pressure and later a sharp recovery, again after a consolidation we saw a sharp sell off. So tomorrow if Bank Nifty opens above 35,000, then Bank Nifty can remain sideways, and in that case 34,800, 34,750 will act as a support, and on the higher side 35,250, 35,300 will act as resistance. And in case we see a opening below 35,000, then after breaking 34,750 we may see a sell off in Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty can fall till 34,500 to 34,400. Now let's see Nifty. So in Nifty 2, after opening we saw sharp selling pressure, then a sharp recovery. After consolidation again we saw a sharp selling pressure, and if you see there's a resistance around 16,375. so tomorrow if Nifty opens above 16,375, then it can remain sideways. 16,290 will act as support and 16,500 will act as a resistance, and Nifty can remain in this range, and it can be volatile if it opens above 16,375. If we see a flat opening or a opening around 16,300, then after breaking today's day low we can see a selling pressure again, and Nifty can fall till 16,200. Now let's see our today's stock. So our today's stock is Jubilant Foodworks, and if you see we saw a W pattern formation here and we saw a sharp buying momentum, but after consolidation we saw a breakdown, and after trying for a couple of days again it has closed near the day low. So tomorrow you can sell Jubilant Foodworks below 514. Your target will be 500 and you'll have to place a stop loss at 518. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.